Here at the Lizard Hostel in Moab, Utah, and I'm on a hiking adventure, and let's see what this place is all about.
With the heart.
Hopefully put a heart on top of the eyes.
Alright, I'm going to take some tourists on a little petroglyph tour here. You ready, guys?
Yeah! Hell yeah!
Okay, let's rock.
Some entertainment. Look at this rock. I don't think there is a path.
No, there is. It's one continuous path. This is a labyrinth appears to be in the Eastern tradition, where it's not an actual maze where the challenge is to find your way. No, I did it. It is a path to follow as you look into yourself.
You know.
Artifacts here of ancient Moabite culture.
Just a gift.
And the pizza guys are like, oh, keep my number.
In the day when the sun was all like one color on it. I don't know, that looks like a pronghorn to me. That's a pronghorn with an unusually fat body.
And what do you think it is?
I think it's a bighorn sheep or an elephant.
I think it's a puppy.
A crab. Ah.
Oh, yeah. Nate was telling me about that one.
The what?
He called it a clam. And I was like, that's
clam?
not a clam. It's a,
No, that's a crab.
It's a crab, yeah.
So, what we got here is a birthing stone in Moab, Utah. Now this looks like a woman giving birth here.
Clearly.
But the question is, this guy looks like he has a spear go through him. You know, the spear, the feather. It almost looks like a Spaniard type like. So I like to call it the rebirthing stone. Because it looks like this guy turning into a ghost, kind of like, because he's got a big thing through him. And this woman giving birth.
I told you it was there.
Yeah. They call it the birthing stone.
Right, I told him that was it, and he goes, no, it's not.
So that's it.
In the snow. Yeah, I like the idea that this is a message board, and I get this
one right here, they say, is a bunch of clans coming together. They stay a certain length of time, and then they split off in two groups at the end.
Broom on.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah, what do you think about that? Like this? I think.
You see
Look at that. We got a decapitation.
You see the legs.
There you go.
Because this one does have.
And there's a snake to the left of it. For fertility. Well, that stone right there is the world famous tombstone where people base jump off of.
There we go. Here's some people. Oh. Colorado Trail trip. I generally, I see a reflection off the top of his hat. I wonder if that's a camera lens he's wearing.
Here we go, guys.
You getting pictures?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Badass, dude.